Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good and welcome to Current Affairs in Flux. Let's begin today's daily current affairs. November 25th, we observe International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. And theme for this day for this year 2021 is Orange the World End Violence Against Women Now. And this day is observed by the United Nations, and this day is observed worldwide on November 25th. Whereas this day is celebrated to raise awareness that the fact that the women around the world are subject to various forms of violence and the true nature of the issues is often hidden. Whereas the first this day is observed in the year 1999 by the United Nations. Next one, Indore's Patalpani railway station renamed after tribal icon Tantya Bill. Here the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced the renaming of the Indore's Patlapani railway station after the Tantya Bill, who is a tribal icon and who is very well known as a Indian Robin Hood by the tribals. And now this railway station is called as Tantya Bill railway station. Whereas recently we have also seen that Bhopal's Habibganj railway station also named after Rani Kamlapati railway station, who is a tribal queen. Here the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the Governor is Mangubai Patel. Next one, NASA launches world's first DART mission. Here the full form of DART is Double Asteroid Redirection Test. Here, the U.S. Space Agency NASA has launched its first world's first DART mission, which changes which changes the direction of asteroid by intentionally crashing a spacecraft into it. By changing the direction of the asteroid, so that we can prevent the asteroid hitting the Earth, and we can save our Earth. And for this they have spent about $325 million to launch this to launch this mission, and this mission is launched by the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, where here the administrator of NASA is Bill Nelson, and it is headquartered in Washington DC, which is founded in the year 1958. Next one, JP Morgan has been named as world's most important bank by Financial Stability Board. Here the JP Morgan has named as the world's most important bank by the Financial Stability Board, and this bank has named for the healthy and the wider financial system. And by ranking the top leaders by global regulators. Next one, the 15th edition of biennial trilateral exercise Dosti conducted between India, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Here, this biennial trilateral exercise is a 5-day long exercise which is conducted in Maldives, and this exercise is named as Dosti, where this exercise in this exercise the INS Vajra and Apurva are going to are participated in this exercise, and the main aim of this trilateral exercise is to further build up the friendship of these three countries and enhance the mutual operational capability. Next one, World Bank to provide $250 million loan for school learning project in Andhra Pradesh. The World Bank will provide $250 million loan for the school project in Andhra Pradesh, in which it will cover about 50 lakh students in the southern state. Where from this 40 lakh students are from the age group of 6 to 14 years, and the 10 lakh students are from the age group of 3 to 6 years. Next one, And if you see about this World Bank, the head of the World Bank is David Malpass. Next one, Shimla tops Niti Aayog inaugural SDG Urban Index. Here, the Niti Aayog has launched the Sustainable Development Goal Urban Index, in which the Shimla has topped this index for the year 2021 and 2022. If you see about this index, Shimla, Coimbatore, Chandigarh are the top three positions in this index, whereas the Dhanbad in Jharkhand is at the bottom in this index. Next one, S.K. Sohan Roy, first Indian to be honored with knighthood of Pate Guelpha. Here, the Sohan Roy is an Indian entrepreneur and a naval architect and a marine engineer who has been honored with knighthood of Pate Guelpha. By for he and this was given for his humanitarian and environmental protection efforts in business and movie, where this honorary title has been conferred for him during the conferring ceremony organized during the investitures of Parthe, which was held in Basilica. Next one, a book titled Resolved, Uniting Nations in a Divided World, is an autobiography of Ban Ki-moon. Where this here the Ban Ki-moon is a former United Nations Secretary General, and he wrote his own book called Resolved, which is an autobiography of Ban Ki-moon, and this book is published by Harper Collins India, where in this book it consists of life experiences and the challenges that the author faced in his life, and he also elaborate his tenure in the United Nations, where he served as the eighth secretary general for the of the United Nations from 2007 to 2016. Next one, a book titled Cooking to Save Your Life, authored by Abhijit Banerjee. Here, the Abhijit Banerjee, who is a Indian-born American economist and a Nobel laureate, has authored a new book called Cooking to Save Your Life, where he also here the Abhijit Banerjee has also won the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in the year 2019. Next one, Alexander Zverev, who belongs to Germany, wins ATP Finals title by defeating Daniel Medvedev, who belongs to Russia. Here, the German player has won the ATP Finals by defeating the Russian player Medvedev in the men's single finals in 2021 ATP Finals, in which this game held in the Turkey. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay strong.